Hello, I welcome you all in the YouTube channel Civil Engineering. Now today we will be seeing classification of the stone masonry. A stone masonry is basically classified into two types, that is rubble masonry and ashlar masonry. Now what actually is rubber masonry? This is the stone masonry type where stones employed are either undressed or roughly dressed. These masonry constructions do not have uniform thickness. The strength of the rubble masonry is dependent on quality of mortar used, use of long through stones and proper filling of mortar between the stone spaces and joints. Now rubble masonry is again classified into following types: dry rubble masonry, uncoursed rubble masonry, coursed rubble masonry and square uncoursed rubble masonry. Now first, dry rubble masonry. These are the rubble masonry construction performed without the use of mortar. Small spaces are filled with small stone pieces. It is used in pitching the earthen dams and the tunnel slopes. Now here you can see the pictorial view of dry rubble masonry. Here the rubbles are placed randomly. Second, uncoursed rubble masonry. And uncoursed rubble masonry is the cheapest and roughest form of stone masonry construction. This construction uses stones of varied shape and size. The stones are directly taken from the quarry called as undressed stone blocks. The courses is not maintained regularly in this method of construction. Initially, larger stones are laid first and then the spaces between them are filled with the spalls or snicks. Now here spalls are nothing but small stone pieces. In this pictorial view you can see what actually uncoursed rubble masonry is. Here you can see all the stones are of different sizes and not coursed in nature. Third one, coursed rubble masonry. In coursed rubble masonry construction, the stones in particular course are in equal heights. The stones hence used possess different sizes. In this type, all the courses do not have same height. This type is commonly employed in the construction of public buildings, abutments, residential buildings and piers of ordinary bridges. Now in this pictorial view, you can see what actually coursed rubble masonry is. Here you can see in each layer of the course, the height of the stone is same, whereas thickness or width may vary. Fourth one, square uncoursed rubble masonry. The stones are made roughly square shape and used in construction. The facing stones are provided with a hammer dressed finish. Larger stones are used as quoins. Chips are not used as beading. Now in this picture you can see square uncoursed rubble masonry. Now second classification of the stone masonry is ashlar masonry. Ashlar masonry is a type of stone masonry which is formed using finely dressed stones of same size, shape and texture laid together in cement or lime mortar of equal size joints at right angles to each other. The masonry built using ashlar stones is rectangular where cuboid blocks are laid in horizontal courses or layers. The joints between the stones are very thin, regular and of uniform thickness which make the ashlar masonry very strong and sturdy. Here you can see what actually is ashlar masonry. The stones here are well raised, its edges are sharp in nature. Now types of ashlar masonry. The classification of ashlar masonry are ashlar fine masonry, ashlar chamfered masonry, ashlar rock quarry faced, that is ashlar rough tooled masonry, and last one ashlar facing masonry. Now first one, ashlar fine masonry. This is the finest type of ashlar stone masonry. The bed joints and faces of the stones are chisel raised to remove all the unevenness and obtain perfectly horizontal and vertical joints. The mortar joints are so thin that they are barely exposed, which gives this type of masonry a very close and packed finish. Now this is the ashlar fine masonry having sharp edges. Second one, ashlar chamfered masonry. It is special type of ashlar rock faced in which the strip provided around the perimeter of the exposed face is chamfered at an angle of 45 degree to a depth of 25 mm. Now this is nothing but the chamfered edges of stones. Next, ashlar rock quarry faced. In this type of ashlar masonry, the beds and sides are finely chiseled raised, but exposed face is raised by rough tooling. This is nothing but the exposed face of the stones. This dressing gives the masonry a rough exposed finish to the masonry as seen in the picture. Fourth one, ashlar facing masonry. This type of ashlar masonry is used to give the building an exposed and good aesthetics. The exposed faces of the stones are rough, tooled and chamfered. Now in this ashlar facing masonry, the exposed surface is chamfered and tooled evenly. Thank you.